Alright, so welcome to lesson 2 of the associative property of multiplication. So let's get ready and let's go through the steps. So step 1 is you're going to place parentheses around two factors. Multiply what's in the parentheses. And then you're going to get a partial product. After that, you're going to multiply the partial product by the third factor to get your final product. So let's look at a couple of examples. I know that y'all have already seen this on the first video, just making sure that we can get that cemented in. So we have, put that back on my pen, 8 times 2 times 4, right? So what we do is we can put the parentheses, remember, anywhere we want. We can put them here. And then the first thing that we do is we multiply 2 times 4, which is 8, then 8 times 8, and you remember that this 2 times 4, that this is a partial product. Then we multiply 8 times 8, and that's going to be 64, and that's going to be our product. If you want to put final product on there, you can. Now, remember, the associative property means that we can move those parentheses around any way we want. So remember, we have 8 times 2 times 4. Well, if we say, I didn't want to do 8 times 2 first. Well, you reassociate, and now you put those parentheses around the 8 and the 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Remember, 16 is your partial product, or PP for short, times 4. And that's still going to give you a product of 64. So make sure that you practice with that. And let me leave you with 2 practice problems. 4 times 7 times 6. And these are for practice. And what I want you to do is I want y'all to solve those 2 ways, just like you saw me do right up here. So 4 times 7 times 6, and 9 times 4 times 3. Those are your 2 practice problems. And let's make it 3. Let's make it 3. Let's do 6 times 5 times 7. Alright, and that is the end of our lesson on the associative property of multiplication. Lesson 2, make sure you do those practice problems in your notebook.